Camaro. Chevrolet Camaro. 1968. So the interior, there, Camaro. Chevy. So that's the interior, guys. It's a hardtop convertible. It's got 97,187 miles on it. It's got a 327 engine. So, here it is. Oh, Edelbrock carburetor. So it's making a ticking sound, and we believe it's the gasket for the headers. So we're gonna try to change that. Camaro by Chevrolet. So that's what it looks like, guys. Pretty nice. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro. 327 engine. So let me show you guys what it would look like sitting from the driver's seat. This is what it looks like, guys. And sorry, it's not a hard top. It's actually a soft top. But yeah, this interior is mint. The leather is still in really good condition. Yeah, guys, this leather is really mint. It's in good condition. So there's your ignition. Keys still there. Yeah, simple car. Pretty nice. So this part right here, guys, is where it's leaking. See the gasket right here. But this headers is also warped. See? Space right there, and there's a space on the other side. back to my channel. It's my Vin Dadi. So right here we have a 1968 Chevy Camaro 327 engine. So as you guys saw, I had to replace the gasket on the headers. It was leaking. So we had to replace it with a thicker gasket, and seemed to have taken care of the exhaust leak. Still pretty loud though. Ooh yeah. So yeah, just got white leather, guys. Interior's pretty mint still. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what this 1968 Camaro looks like. Guys, 1968 Chevy Camaro. It's a little noisy, raggedy. Woo, got some power though. Got some power. Here, I'm gonna rip it real quick in this straightaway. 1, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Anyways, guys, thank you again for tuning into my channel. Please continue to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.
Yeah.